when we divide 407 by 5 in long division method, 5 times 8 is 40. On subtracting, we get 0. So now we put down the 7 and 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting, we get 2. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal, so that we put 0. So it is 20 and 5 times 4 is 20. On subtracting, we get 0. So 407 divided by 5 is 81.4. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.